What is up? This is your boy Harshad back here with another video, and in this video we are going to be showing you guys the iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing review and also the camera quality results. We're going to have a speed test alongside with it. We're going to do a lot of stuff with it. So I got this phone from a friend, and I know you guys might say that this is really late to have this kind of video, but nothing happens 2020 it is, so we're gonna have this video being uploaded with you guys so you could understand. So here it is, guys, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, midnight green color. We have the 64 gigs RAM, 64 gig storage phone, and we have the supported 3 cameras as well as the iconic 3 camera display, and we have the includes the iPhone 11 Pro Max earpods with lightning connector USB-C, which are totally common now. Mostly everyone uses USB-C cables, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and GPS, which are the basics, but everyone is provided. And this phone was made, I think it was launched in the late 2019 when it was fall. And yeah, it was the most iconic displays that the cameras we get from the backside. These 3 cameras, the 3 duos, and you could see that you can't see the iPhone logo on top because this I borrowed from a guy and he put a sticker on the back to protect it. And the thing that Apple changed about the unboxing and the thing of it is that they put the back screen and back cover on top to show the people about the camera displays. That's the major change of it. And they first time named their phone as the iPhone Pro 11 Pro. And uh, normally you see that the front screen is always faced up. You can see that yeah, I see a lot of scratches over here because it's used, but nothing happens. We're still gonna make the video of it. Designed in Apple in California, have the instruction manual and everything inside, as well as the classical stickers they provide with you. Hello, yes, the instruction booklet, and this is some jack, as well as the stickers that the mostly every product gives you. iPhone product, they started from the late iPhones and 2Gs to the iPhone 11 Pro Max, whatever, until infinity. So after that, we see the lightning cable they gave, which they still continued. You could buy AirPods separately, not built in with the box. AirPods are separate, and you already know how expensive those are. And the phone is already like a fortune. So for getting this booting up, we're gonna have to get my other phone. I have this Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge, and I'm gonna put my timer on, and I'm gonna show you that how fast does it start up. So first of all, that I'm gonna show this that I'm gonna get the home button and I'm gonna press the volume down button, and as I see the Apple logo, I'm gonna start this. So 1 2 3 start. So now you can see that it's been 4 7. Okay, now the iPhone logo is right here, and sorry, a little the display. Okay, it stopped in the 22nd second. So let's get the startup of it. So we're gonna turn this on. So we're gonna power it on, and we're gonna turn this thing on. So I'm gonna go and unlock this. And the first thing what I'm gonna show you is the settings, and I'm gonna show you the specs of it and what I have already installed. So I have 64 gigs of storage, 35 already used, and a couple of modem firmware 1.03, Wi-Fi address, Bluetooth, the SEID. Software version is the 13.3 iOS latest version, which is supported for this particular phone. And the next thing what we're gonna do is show you the camera quality. The back rear camera, you can see it has now over here option of three. You have 3 lenses. You have the 0.5x lens, the one lens which is the normal one, and the ultra zoom in lens, which is the 2x. So this is the ultra wide 0.5x lens. And yeah, I know these shots are not looking that high definition because I'm recording with another phone I have, but yeah, to make things clear that this is really looking relentless and everything. So after that, let's go in the front camera, and we also have over here with us the front zoom in as well as the back. So this is really nice, depth photo sensor, and we have portrait mode, the panel mode, also with the lenses, the portrait mode, and the portrait mode has a lot of lights and filters to make black and white outlines with high definition quality display, most like a DSLR, the slow-mo camera with the 3 lenses, the time lapse, most famous, and you have a lot of slow motion and everything. So fast processing, camera is really nice, smooth texture. The phone is really comfortable and feels really good to hold, and there's a lot of features with it and doesn't slouch much, because iPhone gives those kind of phones that don't slouch a lot. You have a really smooth operating firmware. They give the best product for the software. The software version is way better. As an Android user, you really have to see the better benefits out of the iOS and why people prefer iOS rather than Android. And actually, they do have some sense, and the senses are that it's really smooth. The phone never has the ability to hang up, and it could support a lot of operating systems and applications all at once. It could do a lot of multitasking, and a lot of features are supported with it, and a lot of other important features are also in this phone. And this phone is right now really expensive. So as days are gonna pass, and you're gonna see that there's gonna be more and more phones later on. iPhone's gonna launch their new iPhone 12 or whatever. So then after that, maybe you'll have the money and you could buy this. But right now, this is the top brand phone in the market, and right now it's not getting defeated by anyone. It has a really good position in market brand, and it has a really awesome strength. So if you guys like this video and want to see more videos just like this, what I've uploaded, so make sure you have subscribed to the YouTube channel right now. If you haven't subscribed, just do just one thing and just subscribe that button, okay? And thumbs up if you like the video and want me to make more of these kind of videos. Comment down below what you think about this phone, and what do you think that what feature you like about this new phone, and we're gonna see you guys in the next video. So peace out, man.